Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we'll be working up with a coupon. Okay, so how the coupon will work is that if you want to run a sale, or if you want to deduct the tax, or if you want like free shipping or something like that, then how we can do that. Okay, so let's just go to dashboard right here, and I just want to create a coupon. So let's just go ahead, let's just create a coupon, and then we'll be opening this whole website in the private tab, and then we'll work. Okay, so let's just go to the WooCommerce, and then we have to go to the coupons right here. Okay, and then here we need to create a coupon that will be applied to all of the products. Okay, so let's just wait till this is done. Okay, what I have to do, I have to just hit add coupon, and you can see it's going to take me to the new window where I have to enter the coupon code. So my coupon code is going to be so let's suppose that if the new year is here. So I'm going to hit new year 2018. New Year 2018. So since this is my coupon code, okay, and then I'm giving a fixed card discount, like I can offer them for fixed card. So that means that I want them $10 discount. So they buy anything, they get $10 discount. Okay, I can also just tell them that fixed product discount, like they buy anything that will be cost like coupon amount, for the $10 will be less. Okay, so now I have the percentage discount. I basically want the percentage discount. So I want the percentage to be like 50%. Okay, so let's add this. Now we have allow free shipping. Check this box if coupon grants a free shipping. Must be enabled in your shipping zone and be required a valid free shipping coupon. What this says is that if I want to allow the free shipping, then in the free shipping method, I want to enable that. Okay? Okay, this is not here. I want to go to the settings right here. I want to go to this right here. And then here, I also want to enable in the shipping. I want to enable a shipping method, and that will be like, it requires a valid coupon code. So I want to come here. Here it is. Okay, let's come here. And so we have two shipping zones, okay? We have this and this, okay? I want to come here. I want to hit edit here, and then here I want to just add a new shipping rate. Okay, shipping method or shipping rate. So let's just hit this. It's going to take us there, and now we have to hit add a shipping method. Okay, and this is going to be free shipping. Okay, I have to just hit this add shipping method, and this will be right here. Okay, so we are just giving the coupons free shipping to only in Pakistan. Okay, and then I have to hit edit, and the free shipping requires a valid free shipping coupon. Okay, so if someone has a valid free shipping coupon, then we will just give him the free shipping. So here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna hit save, so you can see this is already saved. I'm gonna come here, and you can see check this box. So I'm just checking this box, and now I have to hit publish. So if someone enters new year 2018, then he will get a 50% off, and also he will be getting a free shipping method. Okay, and then we have the usage restrictions. So this means that the person has to minimum spend like $10. Okay, and then he will use. You can also select this, that this coupon will be visible to, or will be applicable to only one user with IP, or one user with account, or something like that. Exclude sale items, so you can also exclude the sale items. Okay, you can also include a product, or you can just exclude a product. You can work with the product category, so it is select to any category, that it will be applied to any of the category. You can also just exclude any category, and we have the email restrictions, like you can restrict some of the users with the email to, like, they cannot use this. Then we have the usage limits. So this means that how much usage limit per coupon. So what this means, how many times this coupon can be used before it's void. So like we are giving 5,000 coupons, like 5,000 coupons per use. Limit usage to X items. Okay, the maximum number of individual items this coupon can be applied when using a product discount. Leave blank to apply to all qualifying. So we just want to apply to anyone. And then we have a usage limit per user. Okay, this means that a user can use it one, like if a guy has an ID, then from that ID he can just use only one coupon or 10 coupons maximum. He cannot go beyond that. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish, and this should be published. So now what we have to do is that we need to test if this is working or not. The coupon code is this, New Year 2018. I'm gonna go to site right now. And here I want to add a product in my card, and then after that I have to apply the coupon. So let's suppose that I liked this one. Okay, I like this one. I am going to just select the Excel one. Okay, and then I have to choose an option that will be gray. I'm gonna hit add to cart. This product is going to be added to my cart right now, and then I'm gonna hit that take me to my shopping cart. So I'm just gonna hit this. I'm just gonna bring my mouse over here, and I'm gonna hit checkout. So let's just go to view cart first, because we are going to apply the coupon here. So I'm just gonna add new year 2018. Okay, I'm gonna hit apply coupon, and you can see this coupon will be applied. So here we go. You can see that the coupon has been applied, but also you can see this is giving 50. It has given us the 50% off, and it is also giving the free shipping. Okay, which means that we have the free shipping. So text, it won't be applied to text. Okay, we have this right here, and if I choose the country to be like Oman, if my country is Oman, and then I come here, then you can see that the free shipping will not be here, because free shipping option is not added in the country Oman, and we haven't added in the other countries like Pakistan. We will only apply free shipping to the Pakistan users only. That means that it would cost us a lot if someone is just using a coupon code and also we give them the free shipping, then it would cost us a lot. So that is why this is what I mean. Okay, and then we have the 29. This is our total, and we have to hit proceed to checkout, and it will take us to the new page. We have to enter the details, and you can see that everything is right here. Our coupon code section is already created here. Okay, so this is how it works. So now you can see that we're totally done with the e-commerce functionality. Okay, you can build so many type of website with e-commerce. Okay, I'm gonna explain you later on when we'll move on with step-by-step things. Okay, I'm gonna explain you that you can also see that we have a card right here. What is this? If I go down, you can see this is still here. So this is the plugin that we installed. Basically, I showed you what the plugin is. Okay, if you just go to the plugin, then you can see it says WooCommerce sticky card. So this is what I mean. So you can see everything is totally up and running, and in the next video we will be working up with the PayPal. We'll just create a sandbox account, we'll test our payments with PayPal, and then I'll also show you that how can you accept credit cards payment. Okay, so these will be, then we will be done with everything. Okay, so then we will learn how to build professional based e-commerce site. Okay, and then we'll move forward. So stay tuned guys, and bye.